Okay, we just finished up a project over across from Friendly Center in Greensboro. 2 small retaining walls. They had some failing timber retaining walls. Seems to be the theme lately. And we replaced them with this Versa-Lok weathered standards in hickory. We have down here's the French drain to run out to this area here, into that drain. That's another drain they previously had for some stuff in the backyard. So that is where there was an old fence on top of this, and replaced that. And if you come around the back, we've got another small wall over here. This area here had a small failing timber retaining wall. We replaced and added in some steps for them. Some unique cuts here, interesting, fun to do. This is also the Versa-Lok weathered standard in hickory, and it goes around and ends down there. If you found this video entertaining or even informative, how about hitting that like button or the subscribe button? And as always, let Pro Earth come out and make your backyard your favorite room of the house.